What's over there? You see the cows? Where are the cows? Well, good morning, everyone. This is a very different kind of video. We are at the ranch doing ranch things, and I bought my little man because I wanted to share with him doing this kind of thing. And this is the first opportunity I've had to bring him out here, just me and him. And we're gonna go feed the cows and let him have the greatest day ever. What you see over there, Bubba?
No.
You wanna get out and look at them? What do you see, Bubba?
No.
You see moo cows?
No.
Look at all those babies. Hey, moo cows. You want to feed them?
No.
You want to feed them some hay?
No.
So, for those of y'all been asking, I still do come out to the ranch, but my job was never actually to take care of the animals. My job was to run the equipment and do equipment jobs. And right now he asked me to come out here and feed the cows because he's out of town. So I brought my helper, the one who loves cows and the one who loves John Deere's. Do you love tractors? He doesn't know that inside the barn is the big tractor. You want to see what's inside the barn?
No.
What do you think's in there?
That.
You think there's a tractor in there?
No.
What color is it?
Big.
Blue?
No.
Okay, it's not blue, but he's gonna be excited anyway. All right, Bubba, what is it?
That.
What is that? Is that the big horse? That is the big horse. Do you want to go ride in it? Yeah. Do you want to ride in it? Yeah? Yeah, that's the thing that goes. What's that? You want to get in it?
No. No.
I can honestly say he gets that from me. And for those of you who like watching my channel because I talk about mowing, there's a giant mower. So this video was about some mowing. Bubba, are you ready to go ride?
No.
Oh man, here we go. You ready for the tractor?
No.
Oh man, watch this, watch the front. Whoop. Are you excited?
No.
You wanna go feed the cows?
No.
There we go. Are you ready?
No.
Greatest day ever. Oh, it's gonna get bright. You might wanna put your sunglasses back on. Here, we'll stop so you can get sunglasses on. They're upside down, bub. There you go. All right, you ready?
No.
All right, hang on. There we go. Hey, look, there's some cows. Hey, y'all.
No.
What do you think? What do you think about all this?
Oh.
It's the greatest thing ever, isn't it? Yeah, we're going to get some hay. I'm going to put some on the front and the back. He has no idea what it is we're doing. He just loves it, and I love that I can give that to him. It's the greatest day ever. He just wants to ride tractors and see cows. Hey, have you seen Bob?
No.
Where's Bob? That's right, the tractor's got a Bob.
No.
The truck has a Bob too, doesn't he?
Yeah.
Yeah. One day we'll get you a Bob when you got something to drive. Maybe one day I'll get you a tractor to drive. You want a tractor to drive?
No.
Yeah, I'm 40 and I still want a tractor to drive. But I got this one right now, which is just as good.
No.
Where's the hay at? Have you found the hay?
No.
No, it's not over there. But we're gonna go this way. Have you seen the hay yet?
No.
You see it yet?
No.
Where's it at? It's up there. Where's the hay, Bubba? And we got one back there too?
No.
We got two?
No.
You wanna go feed the cows?
No.
I just love how much he loves cows and tractors.
No.
You do? You having the best day ever?
No.
Oh man. It's our first time solo without anybody but me and you.
No.
Yeah? This morning, when I woke him up, I said, do you want to go feed cows and ride a tractor? And normally he wakes up about like his mother. He's not a morning person. This dude got straight up and was ready to put shoes on and go straight to the cows and the tractor. I know what gets you going in the morning. Big green things and cows. Yeah. I do miss driving the tractor. Haven't driven this one in a little while. What do you see, Bubba? Yeah, look at all of them. Look at all these babies. Hey, ladies. How y'all doing? You see them? You see them? You see little babies? Yeah. You like this, Bubba? Oh man, this is so cool. So yeah, I've waited. He's still too young. He's only 2.5, but he's still too young to understand how excited I am to be able to bring him with me and start doing, well, little boy things with their dad. Are you excited, dude? Is this cool? Yeah, you want more? Let's go get more, okay? I just love it. I just love it that he's so into this stuff. I guess it's just a little boy thing. That's exactly the way I still feel about this, and I'm 40. Yeah? Babies everywhere, huh? They've been busy. Uh-huh. Baby's over there. Where's their mama? Yeah, who knows, huh? They're probably over there eating. So he gets it. He doesn't speak English. Not yet. But he understands what's going on. Is that the hay? No. Is that where we're going? Yeah. All right. You know, one of my fondest memories growing up was both of my grandparents had land with cows. And I remember, probably not that young, but I remember I got hurt trying to help them probably when I was about 3 or 4 in the hayfield. But I remember every chance I got, I would lose sleep at night thinking they were going to forget to take me to go ride the tractor and feed the cows. And I think it's super awesome that now I can recreate that moment with little me. And then I'm so glad that he gets to have this, because I don't believe a lot of kids get this opportunity anymore, because stuff like this is not really what's happening a lot anymore. You like this? Man. But yeah, I grew up doing this, and I really hope that I could somehow, because I don't own any land or tractors, give him the opportunity to experience this kind of thing. Because I do think it's important for kids to just be kids and enjoy, because he thinks this is the greatest thing in the world. And I want him to look back and be like, you know, it was a whole lot of fun just riding the tractor with my dad, doing chores, feeding cows. And I grew up doing it. It's funny, at 40 years old, I still get excited to do it. You gonna go out and get this gate? You are? Awesome. He's probably not gonna get out and get this gate for me, but at least he said he would. Bubba, is this fun? No. You wanna go home? Or you wanna get some more hay? No. More hay? No. Shake your head. You wanna go home? No. That's right, we don't wanna go home. We're gonna keep driving tractors. No. Which way? Which way do we go? That's right, that's the way we're going. No. Man. It's so awesome to see just how he pieces everything together and how just he loves this. Look at him. He's checking out his cows, checking out everything we're doing. He watches the tractor and how it does things. He's already sort of trying to figure it out. He knows what's next. Like when I pick the hay up, if I pick the front one up, he reminds me that we have to get one in the back. Like, so he gets it and he loves it. 100%, this boy is asleep before we're done with this job in that chair right there. But it'll be worth it. Man, that's a good looking work truck right there. Bubba, we having a good time?
No.
Oh man. Oh, you're having such a good time.
No.
Yeah, we're on the road right now. We're going to the other part of the fields. Which way are we going? That's right. I just love it. I love how much he loves this. He's fighting it too. I keep catching him when I get out to do things that he's getting tired, but when I get back in, yeah. He's gonna crash so hard as soon as we're done doing this. You ready? I hope one day he looks back at this and goes, man, that was awesome. He thinks today's about him. He doesn't realize that I love that he loves this.
Baby.
Yeah?
Baby.
You saw more babies?
No.
No?
No.
You want to see some babies?
No.
Well, let's go find them.
No.
You want to see their mamas? Or the babies?
No.
Nana? Well, let's go. He's very concerned about these mamas and their babies. He wants to make sure they all have their mamas. He's starting to get further and further laid back. Is that a good spot? You getting comfy? Just something about the sound of that John Deere tractor running. Just put you to bed. It's working on him. We got one more set to put out, bub, and then we'll be done. Don't fall asleep yet. You can sleep on the way home. Don't miss out no tractor and cows. And now for the best part. Bubba, you gonna drive us back to the house? Which way are we going? Well, keep us between the road. I used to love when my grandpas would let me drive back to the barn when we were done. And then eventually, they just stopped coming with me and I get to go drive by myself. One day, maybe I'll figure out how to get him a tractor so he can drive by himself. But for right now, this is the stuff right here. I'm starting to think maybe my grandpas liked having me around just as much as I like getting around, because it's really cool. Hey Bubba, you ready? All right Bubba, we're done.
No.
Let's turn it off. Was that fun?
No.
You ready to go back to the house?
No.
Oh yeah? You wanna go tell Mama about it? You wanna tell her all about the cows and the tractors? You want a snack? I think we should get a snack. We've been hard farming. We should get a snack. All right, Bubba, come here.
No.
I'll get you. I got you. Whoop. All right. Say goodbye to the tractor. Say see you next time, tractor. Isn't that so much fun?
No.
What's on your hat?
Dad.
Is that John Deere?
No.
That's cool. Nothing like a good snack after feeding the cows, huh? Is that good? Did you have a good time today, bud? You want to do it again tomorrow? You do? I'm so proud of you for making it the whole time. I thought you were going to pass out a few times, but you made it.
No.
100% you're going to be asleep before we get off the dirt road here. I know you. That car seat's going to whoop you bad. You're going night-night. You just don't know it. All right, guys. This was a much different video. It was me doing things without the family, but I did bring one of my family members because I thought it was a cool experience to share doing tractor stuff with little baby Caden. Anyway, this is the kind of stuff that I like to film. I don't always want to be just the guy that films the landscaping stuff. I want to do all kinds of things. So if you like this kind of video, let me know. I know there wasn't much action because it was more about sharing the experience with me and him, and we wanted to build the memory so he could look back on this. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with us. We love you, and we'll see you in the next one.